So this is called Fast Folder. The way you play this game is you need 10 clothing items from a laundry basket for each person playing. Put the 10 items from your laundry basket in a pile next to you. The object of this game is to score points by folding each item, your shirt or your pants or your shorts, etc. You have 1 minute to fold as many as possible. On the start signal, begin folding each piece of laundry. Score 1 point for each piece of laundry folded in 1 minute. The maximum is 10 points. Write your score down either on the official field day scorecard or on a piece of paper.
The name of this activity is called Fast Folder. The way we play this game is that you have 10 pieces of clothing, trying to fold them as many as you can in 60 seconds. For every one that you get a point. So I have my phone right here that I'm going to use as my timer. For you, I'm going to try to put a timer on the screen so you won't need to worry about that. And when I say go, I'm going to start folding, see how many I can get done, see how many points I can get. Okay, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm counting it, got it at the buzzer. So I was able to get 8. Let's see how many you can do. If you want to email me, let me know. That'd be awesome. Take care, everybody. Hope you enjoyed the activity. Bye.